Here we show you how you can mix and apply your own tile grout, both to walls and floors. The manufacturer's instructions on the packaging will detail which types of tile it can be used with, as well as how much water you need when mixing. Always pour the water into your bucket first to avoid unmixed powder. Wear protective gloves, eyewear, and a face mask, as the cement-based powder can cause irritation. Stir the grout, making sure to reach into the sides and base of the bucket. Keep mixing until smooth, when no more powder or lumps can be seen. You're now ready to apply the grout to your tiles. Use the flat side of a grout float to wipe grout into the lines between your tiles. Continue to sweep across the tile surface, keeping the float at an angle. Then, using a damp grouting sponge, wipe away any leftover grout. A chalky film will appear over your tiled surface. Simply use your damp sponge to lift the residue, then buff the tiles with a dry cloth. You can find the grout used in this video, along with the best tools for the job, on our website.